Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahona and this is the third video of my computer vision series. The last two videos focused on face detection and hand tracking, but this video will focus on AI virtual painter. So I will be painting in the air and it will get painted on a virtual Canva. So let's see how it actually works. So this is the code and I will be going through the code slowly. Please feel free to pause if required. And now I'm going to run this code and we will see how it works. So for now, I will turn off my camera so that you can see how it works. So there we go. I'm right here and there are three brushes. This is a paint editor. We have the pink brush, the blue brush, the green brush, and the eraser. And I have put these brushes to make it more like a software feeling. So let's see how it works. So I'm not really touching the screen right now. I am doing it in the air, and I must say I'm not the best painter, especially in the air. So yeah, so when I am using my index finger, it means that I'm in the drawing mode or the painting mode. But when I am in the two or the full hand, it means I'm in the selection mode, and selection mode is basically selecting different brushes or the eraser. So once I select a brush, there will be a heart on it. As you can see right now, there is a red heart on the pink brush. So if I go for the blue one, there we go. Let's see for the green one. There we go. And then we have the eraser for erasing it off. So it's the best when I am doing it from a far away place rather than a place that's really close to the camera. And this is what I wanted to show you. And thank you for watching this video.